Hi guys, today I'm taking a look at the Eraclean Ultrasonic Cleaner. This is a new product under Xiaomi's crowdfunding ecosystem that features a 45,000 Hertz high-frequency vibration motor that not only removes dirt and debris, but also oil stains, oxidation, and odor. Inside the box you'll find the cleaning container, which is made of 304 stainless steel for ease of cleaning and prevents corrosion and bacteria growth. You'll also find a power adapter. Now it's time for testing. First of all, let's see how well it cleans glasses. After putting the glasses in the container, pour water in, making sure you don't exceed the maximum marker level. Next, pop the lid on and push the start button. Three minutes later and you'll see the water is very murky. We now need to take the glasses to a sink and rinse them. After rinsing them clean, it's best to dry the glasses with a microfiber cloth. And here are the results. Next, I cleaned a Mi Band strap. You can clearly see the results in the right hand corner of the strap. Next, I tried cleaning teaspoons. I added dishwashing liquid to the water, but to be honest, I couldn't see much of a change. This was also the case with jewelry. Please remember this device is small and compact, so not everything is going to fit. I really hope you found my review helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.